Morning students. Today we will discuss on the topic structure of an atom. First of all, we have given definition of matter. All we know, matter is anything that occupies space and has a mass. Different example of matter is carbon dioxide, oxygen, alcohol, water, elements, compound, bench, box, wood. Mostly around us, solid state of matter. There are three states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. All matter is made up of atoms. Atoms are the building block of matter. Short of how bricks are the building blocks of our houses. Structure of atom. Atoms are made up of small particles called subatomic particle or fundamental particle, electrons, proton, and neutrons. An atom consists of a cloud of electrons surrounding a small, dense nucleus of protons and neutrons. Electron and proton have a property called electric charge, which affects the way they interact with each other and with other electrically charged particles. Matter consists of atoms, and atom there is nucleus and electron. Nucleus consists of protons and neutrons. An atom consists of cloud of electrons surrounding a small dense nucleus of protons and neutrons. Nucleus contains nearly all the mass of the atom, but it occupies only a tiny fraction of space inside the atom. The diameter of a typical nucleus is only about 1 by 1 lakh of the diameter of entire atom. The subatomic particle electron were discovered by J.J. Thomson. Electrons are tiny negatively charged particles around the nucleus of an atom. Each electron carries a single fundamental unit of negative electric charge, has a value minus 1.6 10 is to power minus 19 coulomb, and has a mass of 9.1 10 is to power minus 31 kilogram. Electron is one of the lightest particle with a known mass. Electron cannot be split into anything smaller. Second fundamental particle is proton, discovered by Goldstein. Proton has 1 unit mass, and proton have a positive electric charge of 1.6 10 is to power minus 19 coulomb. This charge is equal but opposite to the negative charge of electron. A proton's mass is about 1840 times the mass of an electron. Proton carries a positive charge of plus 1, exactly the opposite electric charge as electron. Number of proton in the nucleus determine the total quantity of positive charge in the atom. Third type of fundamental particle is neutron, discovered by James Chadwick. The neutron is slightly heavier than a proton and 1838 times as heavy as the electron. Neutron, electrically neutral elementary particle, that is part of the nucleus of the atom. Neutron has a mass 1.67 10 is to power minus 27 kilogram.